Tine maswati siyanemudela nonge. Tine maswati ngenfokozo meluthambo.
The 25th of August 2017 saw the launch of Mbuluzi Lifestyle Center, which is a place found here at Mvuchini. Not only just does it entertain people, there's a restaurant here, there's a bar. It's a place that holds different ceremonies from weddings to parties and so on. Well, today we're here for a roof wetting event. Mbukelela umnyutati buta kwakuthi lokwa roof wetting kuyini. Kusukela ngeminyaka wa 2004 emaveni angesheya kwakunemkhosi lothi nakucatha nje kwakhiwa sakhiwo lesithite labo labasakhile batogibela latulu kuleyo roof bathele tshwala kumbe bathele lutho loluthite just to double check if it is not going to leak in any way. So now there's a roof wetting party for what we know as Mbuluzi Lifestyle Center Hotel. Akagcini njengokuthi benzawo lapho khona abantu batofike bangcebeleke banathe badle bese bayahamba kodwa sekuyinzawo lapho khona abantu bangafike balale emalanga lathite. It's a hotel. Hayi mbukele angakuthathela isikhathi sakho angunika telefone ukuthi nawe utibonele lena ndzawo. Nginompumelelo wakadlamini Sibongo kanti ke mbukela ngihambi ngedwa ngihamba nayo Swaziland Tourism Authority ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu sithi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe. Dibonele mbukeli Buhle Belive lakho angithathele lithuba lekubingelela ngiphenze ngikwemukele ehlelweni. Hayi mbukela sesitibonele kokuthi lakhulunywa ngeroof wetting. Lokuyinto ecala ngasi banayo lapha eveni la kaNgwane kusuke kukhulunywa ngani.
I'm Sibebe Survivor. I'm from Limpopo, University of Creative Technology, where I'm heading the International Tourism Department there. To me, it's quite exciting since I'm in the training field. It means that the people that we're training or the students that we're training, they'll be consumed in the industry when we see such developments. So it's quite exciting for us as a university to be part of this event. I'm looking forward to something that is different, apart from what the other guys in the industry or other role players are offering in the industry. So I'm looking for something that is unique, that is going to draw people to this place. And since its location is just a remote location, so I'm expecting something that is unique in the rooms and yeah.
I come from Swaziland Tourism Authority. I'm responsible on the product development side. The Tourism Authority is tasked with tourism development and marketing. So part of our interest today is to welcome on board the new kid on the block as this facility here. Siyasithokoze kakhulu also because umsebenzi wethu njengoba ngishilo ngokuthi kumarket live uma sibona tindzawo letifana naleti tisukuma even siba ne-interest ukuthi kusho ukuthi kukhona lesikwendako in terms of letha tivakashi nekusho ukuthi ingxenye yemsebenzi wethu ukuthi sikhulise le sector yetekuvakasha. So i-facility efana nalena yenta ukuthi lo msebenzi wokuthuthukisa tovakasha ikhule kuleli. Well, the one thing about tourism, let's say, in a silo, it's about relationships. Because one thing that they are doing, when Shorisha Goguts announce a presence here, by announcing presence here, get my consumers, the establish 7 salaries, by announcing presence here, go media, by announcing presence here, go labo, la patabe basebentisana nabo, ngobuta ukumbula ukuthi ezulwini ngilenye yetinzawo, leneti nzawo letiningi, nate kulalisa abantu. Kufanele bakhe budlelwane nalaba labakhona labatolalisa abantu ngoba nakwendeka kugcwele kulenye indzawo sebanebhlobo batawuphinze bathole abantu babalethe ngala. So kumgcoka lo ukuthi kwendeke ngale ndlela bendawo. Lokho ke futhi kusinika nale interest yokuthi babantu labatimisele ekutheni batawuhlala batinte ngoba nangabe unemsebenzi kude lo watibo ukuthi wendani kufana nokuthi nje kude lo tabe sewenda. It's a good step in the right direction, honestly.
Yeah, senifisela mkhaya nomina ngidalati ngawadlamini imilo wakhe emfuleni. And namuhla sijabule kakhulu empeleni ngoba namhla sitovula phase 2 wasemfuleni loku kule hotela noma ngathi phase 1 wangase hotela Mfuleni Lifestyle Boutique Hotel. Mfuleni siwusungule last year. We started off construction in April last year and managed to finish in August. And we had our launch on the 26th of August. Mfuleni basically was always maybe a dream to fit into a space in Swaziland and to create an entertainment venue. Initially it was only just going to be an entertainment venue, but a higher class venue, which is why we then called it a lifestyle venue. So once that was done, the obvious thing to do next was to look at hospitality in general, including housing. That's how we came up with the hotel. In the rest of the world, Ngosi, it's something that is quite common, that when you have a new establishment, ordinarily we should have gone to the roof with some champagne or some wine to actually spill it on the roof. We are just saying we have started officially. Work has begun in terms of now you can use the place. So we felt let's join the rest of the world because this particular place is not for just locals. It's a local business, but it appeals to an international market. So hence today we have the roof wetting ceremony. We are creatures of habit. We normally do what we are used to doing, but with the emergence of travel and exposure, I've been exposed to so many other places in the world, and I wanted to bring something fresh. You know, as you rightfully say, you know, there's many places in Swaziland that are very similar, very much the same. You see one, you've seen them all. So the idea was to bring something fresh, something that the world has seen out there, we have seen out there ourselves, and bring it home. Because if you want to improve anything, you have to start with where you stay. So mine was to bring something new, into Swaziland. So I spoke to a friend of mine who is an interior decorator in South Africa to also come in and pitch in. So everything here you'll see, all the rooms are different. Furniture is different, wallpaper is different. No room looks like the next. Even the lights, even the shade of lights is different in all the rooms. This one is green. You see the next one will be blue, the next one red, until you get about 16 different colors.
Empumalanga entshonalanga eningizimu nasenyakatho kuphina kuphi lapho kufinyelela khona umsakazo wesiswati eSwatini TV. Libito lami ngingiyano wakamsibi kanzi-ke nasekusikhathi lesi sewuyati wena ukuthi isikhathi seluhlelo Buhle Betfu. Kanzi-ke sibuhle bethu uyati-ke wena ukuthi sihambisana ne-Eswatini Tourism Authority sithi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe. Ungibona-ke nangigcoke kanjena nginanabo abantu labahle emaceleni kwami kusho kona ukuthi sengiso isikhathi seminyaka eveni lapho khona siyawuqanqa litshe lesibebe lokusibebe Survivor phela. Ingani phela nangabe awati lena-ke yi-walk lehlose ukuthi isite labo labampofu emangweni ngayo-ke lena walk lehlose ukuthi icokolele tona leto-ke timali. Namhla-ke sichamuka khona-ke siyawuqanqa lona lelo litshe. Eceleni kwami-ke nginabo-ke abantu labahle lesisebenza nabo ka-Eswatini Tourism Authority. Khumbula ukuthi sisihlomangwane vuka uvakashe. Sidabe sikhona khona-ke sikulethela ukuthi ingabe namuhla kutabe kwendakalani. Ingani phela lona mkhosi uba khona yonke minyaka, uyasita futhi yonke minyaka. Isibebe Survivor-ke ngulenye-ke imicimbi lemikhulu emhlabeni njengoba yesibili-ke nasikhuluma ngako-ke kuqanqa litshe lesibebe. Thine-ke sibuhle bethu sidabe sikhona-ke sikhulumisa abantu siqanqa yona indzaba siyofika ekugcineni sibuka ukuthi ingabe ngibani lotawusala endleleni njengoba phela ayiboshukela bayaphuma nangabe uke wathi ukudla sigomfana ngayitolo utasikhipha namhla leni sihamba eyenyukela le. Hamba nathi-ke sesehlelweni sisathi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe. Asambe sibone ukuthi ingabe lo nyaka sive singakanani le ngikwadi-ke ukuthi batawube babulala inyoka njengasemihleni. Hlala nathi sisahamba. Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe.
No, ngicale lenda singnemkhuhlane but ke kunyuka kwami ngiva ngathi umkhuhlane zophelile. Ngathi noma halfway noma sengiyacetha but no. I think I'm enjoying everything.
Ungibona nje giyone ngime kanje naye kushoko nokuthi kumadima kodwa hayi kona kumnanzi. Ngikhuphuke ngiqhamukele ndasingemkhuhlane but hayi sengikhwehlele waze waphela. Lokho ngijabulisa ukuthi ngibona nabamfana bangaka ayibakhuphuka kanye nathi futhi sebesembi kwami kushoko nokuthi kulit
Sesi right Sibebe Survivor 2018
ndawufika noma kanjani ngiyakhaya
phakama shwela tije ngajika le hayi lemntu ebhasa kunconyana.
I push my best effort to climb Sibebe Rock with my family and I tried very hard to push myself forward and to inspire other people to get on to the breast cancer activity.
Now tibo wasukufika kugcineni.
Ndawufika because my 6-year-old ulembile umshiya.
Awufuna ukuhleka.
Angangihleka.
Otherwise, how's the journey so far?
It's great.
It's great.
Yeah.
And you tired?
No, I'm not.
So you're still gonna press on till the last lap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
I know. Asam.
Siyabonga. Asengizame.
How do you feel at the moment? How's the walk so far?
I'm alive so far.
Are you yourself?
I think I'll probably know if I'm myself in the next 2 kilometers when I get to the top of the summit. Yes.
You hope you will reach at the top of the summit?
I must make it to the summit.
Okay.
8th time around.
Yeah. Otherwise, for now, how's everything? Aren't you tired? Or which is the hardest route?
I think the hardest was the first 2-3 kilometers. And probably my stop now because I'm now overheating.
Makengabe ukhanza kunjani nje le walk so far?
Ngikhanzise kahle kakhulu because ngiya exercise.
Kunjani kutsini?
Hayi kuthi na sengabi kakhulu. But kuba kakhulu mawunyuka lensaba. Lapho kunyukela khona.
Ngiphi nje ilep lokhanza ngathi ngiyona imadima sokuqalile.
Mangenyukela kuphi ngenseni? Ngale. Le ukwenyuka kulandela lokho. Ngale emuva, yeah.
When I'm how are you feeling at the moment?
It's fine, I'm enjoying.
Yes, the walk is good. It goes up and down, you take a rest, and then you're up again. Ufuna ngabe sakwenza weekly.
Yeah. Did you come prepared for the walk?
Yes. I was prepared, and I'm enjoying.
You are enjoying so far. Kutsini wakunjani ngeve uphefumulela eTulu?
Ngiyaphefumulela eTulu kuphela njani nyalo nje futhi kuyaphela. Kushesha kuphele.
What can you say to encourage labasemakhaya ukuthi ba join babe part of the walk next year?
Ngicabanga ukuthi ma bengafikanga lapha bacabanga ukuthi kulukhuni because mawuva ukuthoya yenyuke entabeni ucabanga ukuthi usufukela amathe uyele but it's just a land. They should come. It's enjoyable.
Ukusita njani nje kuba part of the walk especially kutempile?
Yeah, my heart exercise. Iqale yakhe. Have a right. My thighs mangiqala le abe heavy ngiyaba right.
Okay.
Ngiswethile kwaphela. So it's fine.
All right. Thank you.
Hayo iwalk emadima but nje siyayiphusha lento zakade. Siyayicenga ihlebe imalula iphindze. Siphindze la ibekela khona sibe malula as recover siphindze sipick up esambi.
Nguphi la kumedima khona?
Ngila ukhaza sikumqansa khona kubekele khona uyeva ke sekudonsa kuyachecksa la kulama thighs but nje at the same time ayiphindze isiphindze ukhaza sisobalula.
Yini le kwende kuthi ute lento zakade this year?
No, beyisole ngikhalela all this years ngisolo sineke ikhona lensaba iseseyincane but this time around instead no angithathele ithuba ngihambe nayo socanca lensaba adoba ngale experience yalensaba.
Wena sis, how's everything so far? Matima. You tired or you're not? But you are enjoying the walk so far. Now cabanga utawufika at the top of the mountain. Which were the most difficult laps as usaqhubeka?
Nganyekela khona. Lapho lafike sigijima khona.
Ubenhleli gijima nababa? So will you be coming back next year? All right, thank you, Siyabo.
Thank you.
Right.
What's up, SO4E15 television? We are the Sibebe Survivors 2018. Ooh, we made it to survive. The walk was awesome as usual. Yeah. It's the 5th time. It was the last time though. It was her first time, but we're glad she made it. I made it. I'm here. Ciao.
Undaba enhle ngasukhulu sisuka South Africa. South Africa ngoba inkuluke endaweni ezahlukahlukene ze-South Africa. Ngoba ubona lana ikhipha zethu ibhale uthi Mzondo umndeni wakwamthiyana.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kwesingaki nita ku Sibebe Survivor?
Sekungokwesithathu njengamanje. Siza la.
What keeps you coming kuyo le event each and every year?
Angithi lana kuthiwa ama-challenges like ngalesi sikhathi sonyaka towards ama-holiday and stuff so kunama-challenges amaningi so if singakonkarisha le nto leni you can conquer anything.
Okay. Nikhanze njani Sibebe Survivor salonyaka up to the top? How has it been?
Bekunyukela phinde kwehlela.
Yeah.
But other than that it was nice, it was fun. Si-enjoyile njengamanje siyabonga ukuthi ekugcineni sesifikile lana saqeda akekho oqulekile kwenzakala ngalutho saphila saphelele siyahamba yize benama cramps here and there but it's right.
Did you all make it to the top? Namakhwala. We did. You all conquered. Oh, that's nice. Are you looking forward to coming back maybe next time?
That's out of question. Hey. So look who's equal.
Niyazi ngegoje. Thina satisfied. Ikhona igoje challenge.
The same. Anyway, just take 1 minute to invite labanye babukele ukuthi bete bajoin even next year because it's obvious it's fun. Other families and yeah.
Guys, this is super fantastic. You need to come this side. So nice.
Yeah, it's so nice. Other families now you encourage ukuthi they need to come over this side. It's so nice. It's fun. It's grueling but it's fun.
Yes.
Now lapho. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiya-encourage bonke abantu ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi beze la kuSibebe. Mina cishe unyaka wes-5 ngiza la. So next year ngisazoloku ngiwabizile the Sondo family, the Mtianis.
Sondos, you have to come and join us next year.
We are coming back.
How has it benefited you health-wise? Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ligama ngi-Innocent Ngwakagama, uShaman weSibebe Community Trust. Iyane nkosami ngasho ukuthi siba ka Sibebe Community Trust siyajabula. Sijabula nje ikakhulu kuma corporate teams, kuma partners thune baka Mbabane Mbuluzi Rotary Club. Lokho organizer into lenjengalena ngoba kuningi kakhulu mhlambe lokwentekile community ngawubekisa nje kuna nangumbhaco lo wenyukako ngiyabona nibonile ukuthi kukhona la kukhongwe khona sicabanga sinako lokho kusifakele isandla bese sekuba nema project kunabo gezi kunema project emanti kusifundisa nebantwana benzawo kuningi kakhulu vele Nkosi yami siyabonga nje asibonge mhlambe etininte enkosi phinde baqhubeke nakusasa basupporte siyabona thina sibaka Sibebe lo msebenzi ukuthi uyasida kakhulu ndawubala nje oba ngibekusile lokuthi kune scheme tabogezi lesicabanga ukuthi kuya etimalini letibo over 500,000 wetimali kunetikimu nje letinyenti kuna ngicabanga ukuthi 5 wetikimu lapho letisitakele kulo msebenzi waSibebe nemanti nalamanye ama-communities ladrudane ngawubekisa nje ngala ePineville nakhona basitakele eskimini sagezi nemanti ndawubala bojubukweni nakhona kube skimu semanti kunenge vele kakhulu solo nje bacala cha siyabona vele ukuthi hayi lo msebenzi uyasisita kakhulu.
Hayi sihambile sabona safika kwaba mnanzi sesibuyile it's been a wonderful 2018 Sibebe Survivor. sabona neMaswati ke awusekela lona msebenzi labanye ngeke bafikile letulu esicongweni labanye ke hayi bekubusacasaca lana ngendlela kodwa ke sibonga nje kuseMaswati awusekele umsebenzi lo njengalona inganiphela ke injongo elihlelo Buhle Betfu ukuthi sikulayele wena lapha ekhaya ukuthi yini lokwendakalako lapha eSwatini sikhangise dona ke de kuvakasha. It's been a wonderful 2018 Sibebe Survivor kanti ke ngabe somehow uphuthakalelo wangakhona ukufika nangeminyaka lotako Sibebe Survivor sitawube sikhona mekhisha show ukuthi wena uba ingcenye yawo hayi ke isikhathi nasisime kanje nambukeli sisho ukuthi hayi khona semele sale ngisayinda ngikhwesha kodwa ke you can contact us on our Facebook page lithi Buhle Betfu, or if you somehow missed tonight's episode you can catch us on YouTube akhona ema clips leso uploadako each and every week. Mina ke libito lami ngingiyani wakamsibi kanisambisana neSwatini Tourism Authority sithi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe kuthi kubeliviki lelitako mina sengigqoba stembu ngifaka umsile emathangeni ngishaya lithayi ngiyakhwebuka manje sengahlanga libonza njengeliphela kodwa ke kube kuhle sihlanganyele kanye kuthi kube liviki lelitako isikhathi lesifanako asibonane khona lapha hlomangwane vuka uvakashe.